Welcome to the 100K YouTube Creator Business Plan. This free guide offers a 3-step process to transform your views into a 6-figure business. Join Scott and Scotty at the Live Video School to learn how to leverage your YouTube channel effectively. Our secret to building 6- and 7-figure brands? We don't rely on YouTube ads. Instead, we focus on multiple revenue streams and audience engagement. This guide will break down our ARM method: attention, relationship, money. Here's proof our process works. Channels like New Portrait Biz and Brand Creators have achieved significant success. This demonstrates that you can build a profitable channel without a massive subscriber count. This flowchart outlines the components of our successful YouTube business strategy. From niche selection to monetization, each step is crucial. Watch our full breakdown on YouTube for an in-depth understanding. Attention is the first step in the ARM method. Building an audience in your niche is essential. Focus on impact, not just money. This guide, valued at $400, is free to help you start your journey. Finding your niche is crucial. Target a specific audience to build a quality following. YouTube's platform helps new creators gain visibility, making it easier to attract attention and monetize later. Create videos with your audience in mind. Focus on helping, capturing emails, and showing personality. These elements build deeper connections and drive revenue, with email marketing being a significant contributor. Consistency is key. Posting 1 to 2 videos per week increases your chances of being discovered. Choose a schedule and stick to it. Use live streams to create content efficiently and engage with your audience. Content ideas are vital. Share mistakes, how-tos, tips, and answer common questions. This approach not only educates your audience, but also positions you as an authority in your niche. Start simple with your video setup. Use what you have and upgrade over time. Engagement is crucial, so reply to comments and use the community tab to connect with your audience. Building relationships is the next step. Collect emails to connect off-platform. Create a lead magnet and landing page to grow your list. ConvertKit is our recommended tool for email marketing. Send weekly emails to deliver value and build relationships. Share stories that resonate with your audience. Even if subscribers don't buy, their attention is valuable. Use emails to drive engagement with your content. The know, like, and trust factor is essential. Consistently provide valuable content to build trust. Once established, you can make offers and monetize through email marketing, even with a small subscriber base. Monetization goes beyond YouTube ads. Explore affiliate products, sponsorships, courses, and memberships. Sign up for Amazon Associates to start earning commissions through affiliate links. Promote affiliate products naturally. Include Amazon links in video descriptions and create content around products you use. Once eligible, enable YouTube ads for additional passive income. Sponsorships are a lucrative opportunity. Build an audience that attracts sponsors willing to pay for exposure. Courses are another revenue stream, offering valuable knowledge to your audience. Memberships provide recurring revenue. Offer exclusive content or discounts to members. Consider merchandise as an additional income stream, leveraging your brand and audience. Our roadmap checklist guides you through building your channel. Start with audience engagement, then move to monetization. Follow our phased approach to systematically grow your YouTube business. We hope this 100K YouTube business plan has been valuable. Subscribe to Live Video School for ongoing insights and follow our journey as we build a new channel from scratch. Here's the equipment and tools we use. From DJI mics to ConvertKit for email marketing, these resources support our content creation and engagement efforts. Explore these tools to enhance your channel.